tinitingnan natin ngayon is SEO quick. Yan yung gamit ko to audit websites. So, ito din, Google Analytics, very important kasi it will help you track kung ilan na ba yung traffic ni client. Mas maganda din siya para mag-gauge kung nag-improve ba yung SEO or nag-improve ba yung ginagawa mo for the client. Kasi may data ka eh. Kasi pag walang Google Analytics, mahirapan kang i-gauge if may pumapasok ba sa page ni client. So, yun na naman yung ginagamit kong tool to audit our client website. Tapos, yung gagawin nyo lang is you screenshot some of these na, hey, client, ito yung ito yung para gumawa ng portfolio. So, you can, for example, you can screenshot this one. Tapos, gawa ka ng document. Then, paste mo yung image. So, you can use any screenshot tool. Let me know if if you need one. Madami namang free. Meron namang snipping tool si Windows. So, SEO portfolio. Or you can use Canva para mas mas presentable. So, ito lang yung ginawa ko to get a client. So, meta title needs improvement. Tapos, pwede kang mag-suggest dito. Suggested meta title. So, ano ba yung niya? Ano yung niya? Quality residential roofing. Tapos, you can use, pwede mo siyang i-highlight. Then, you can use tools, word count, para alam mo ilang characters. So, you don't go over yung 60 yung na-suggested. So, minsan, pag kulang, ano pa ba pwede mong i-add? Pwede na lang. Usually, I don't suggest this kasi pag that's yung in-add lang ng separator, tapos Charlie Roofing. Yung name ng company. Pag wala ka nang maisip idagdag. Ayan, 63, pero okay lang. Or ito, pwede mong PX na lang. Kasi nababasa naman siya ni Google. Then, meta description. Needs improvement. Tapos, copy mo to. Suggested meta description. So, ang ginagawa ko lang dito is to show clients na, hey, may alam ako sa SEO. Na kahit wala pa akong client right now, I know how to help you. Parang ganun. So, headings. You have no H1 tag. You have no headings. Pwede mo sabihin na Google requires at least one H1 tag. Yun, tapos alt text. So, parang sinishare mo lang kay client or kay prospect. Ano yung nakikita mong problem dun sa website nila and ano yung pwede nilang i-improve. And actually, this can be a portfolio kasi it shows your prospect na you have an idea about SEO and why it works. So, ang ginagawa ko usually is that pinaganda ko lang siya by using Canva templates. Tapos doon ko siya dinesign sa Canva. And to make it professional, dinownload ko siya as PDF. So, yun na yung para nilalagay ko sa portfolio. Ganun. Let me share my very simple portfolio with you na nakaland ako ng client for SEO. Ito, usual questions ko. Share ko na rin sa inyo. Minsan kasi, pag naipag-usap ako with a client, instead of them interviewing me, I also ask questions para mas maintindihan ko ano yung goal nila and how I can help them. Kasi if parang order taker lang tayo, like parang nag-aantay lang tayo ng instructions from the client, doon pumapasok na na they won't see our value kasi hindi natin pinapakita what we can do. Parang kailangan pa natin mag-rely sa kanila So, if, for example, nag-interview kayo, and may interview kayo with a client, and di ba, usually, during the interview, meron tanong doon, do you have any questions for me? Yun. So, maybe you can pick one or two dito sa questions na pwede mong itanong kay client just to show them na, uy, ano to kakaiba to meron siyang sariling opinion, meron siyang sariling anong tawag dun? Yung parang they see you as proactive na marunong ka mag-isip on your own, kumbaga. So just to give you an idea, ito yung mga usual questions ko for the client sa chat. I hope that's helpful.